Hi student, this is Sivakumar. 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.3, now problem number 8. The heights of 500 students are normally distributed with a mean 68 inches and standard deviation 3 inches. How many students have height greater than 72 inches, less than or equal to 64 inches, and between 65 and 71 inches? So mu that is equal to 68, sigma that is equal to 3, and number of students 500. Okay. Now subdivision number 1, greater than 72 inches. When x that is equal to 72, when x that is equal to 72, we have to find out z. We know that z equals x minus mu divided by sigma, right? You are given mean and standard deviation. So right, substitute z equals x minus x value 72 minus mu that is equal to 68 divided by sigma that is equal to 3. 72 minus 68 that is equal to 4 by 3 equals 1.333. You just write 1.33. Now draw the normal curve. Center line, x that is equal to mu and z equal to 0, here minus infinity, here plus infinity. We have z that is equal to 1.33, that is a positive value here only, can take anywhere, I take over here. Z that is equal to 1.33. Draw a line. The corresponding value of x that is equal to 72. X that is equal to 72. After that, refer the question, look at that, greater than 72 given. Greater than 72, that means more than, that means the right hand side of 72, x equal to 72 to be shaded till infinity. If it is less than, left hand side portion, it is greater than, right hand side portion of x equal to 72 is shaded here. This portion to be calculated, this area to be calculated, right? Now for finding this area, already I told you, each and every time you must touch z equal to 0, so that for finding this shaded area, first I find 0 to infinity, full area minus unshaded portion, then only you will be getting this area. Okay, so probability of x greater than 72 equals, we have changed x into z, the corresponding value is 1.33 equals 0 to infinity, probability of 0 less than z less than infinity, have to mention less than here, minus probability of 0 less than z less than 1.33. 0 to infinity minus 0 to 1.33. 0 to infinity, there is a standard value 0.5. For getting the value, for getting the area, you have to refer the normal distribution table. 1.33. Here 1.3, in 1.3, here 0.03, the corresponding value is 0.4082, 1.33, 0.4082, okay, 0.4082. Then we have to subtract 0.5 minus 0.4082 equals 0.0918. Now we have to calculate the number of students whose height is greater than 72 inches. You can write the result here. Therefore, number of students whose height is greater than 72 inches, that is equal to, first write the probability value. The probability value is 0.0918 into total number of students, that is 500. into 500 equals 45.9 can be rounded off. After the decimal point we have 9, which is 5 or more than 5. 1 can be added in the integral part. 45 plus 1 is 46. 46 students whose height is more than 72 inches. First part is over. Subdivision 1 is over. Now subdivision 2, that is B. Refer the question here. Less than or equal to 64 inches. So x equal to 64. When x that is equal to 64, you have to calculate z formula. X value 64 minus mu that is equal to 68 divided by sigma that is equal to 3. Mu here is 68, sigma 3. 64 minus 68 that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 by 3 that is equal to minus 1.33. Then draw a normal curve. Center line. X equals mu, z equals 0, minus infinity, plus infinity. Here we have negative value, z value negative. So write negative value here anywhere in this region. I take here z equal to minus 1.33. The corresponding value of x that is equal to 64. Draw a line here. Question less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means left hand side of 64 till minus 8 to be shaded. This portion we have to calculate. For finding this area, first I calculate minus infinity to 0 minus unshaded region. So probability of x less than or equal to 64, that is the question. We have changed the x into z less than or equal to the corresponding value is minus 1.33 equals, start from here, minus infinity to 0, minus infinity less than z less than 0 minus probability of minus 1.33 to 0, minus 1.33 less than z less than 0. Since we have, you are given less than or equal to, put less than or equal to here, but infinity no less than or equal to, here you can put less than or equal to, here less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Right? That is equal to minus infinity to 0, there is a standard value that is 0.5. Here you have to interchange because we have negative value at the starting, at the same time 0 has to be at the first. So probability of, you have to interchange 0 less than or equal to z less than or equal to 1.33. You write the reason by symmetry. Now we have to refer the table. Already we got it. For 1.33 the value is 0.4082. Here it is for 1.33. So 0.5 minus 0.4082, that is equal to 0.5 minus 0.4082. Same answer for the first subdivision, that is 0.0918. Now result, number of students whose height is, number of students whose height is less than or equal to how many inches? 64 inches. 64 inches equals, write the probability value, that is 0.0918 into total number of students 500. If you multiply, very similar to the first subdivision, that is 45.9. Same answer, it can be rounded off. So 45 plus 1, that is 46. part B over. Now last part, that is C. Here for the question, between 65 and 71 inches. 65 and 71. First take 65. When x that is equal to 65, z equal to x minus mu value is 68 divided by sigma value is 3. 65 minus 68, that is equal to minus 3, divided by 3, that is equal to minus 1. Now x that is equal to 71, z equal to x value minus mu value divided by sigma value. 71 minus 68, that is equal to 3, divided by 3, that is equal to 1. Now so normal curve. Here x that is equal to mu, z equal to 0, here minus infinity, here plus infinity. Here we have one negative number, here one positive number, minus 1 to the left hand side of mean. This is mean, x equal to mu, left hand side of mean, one is right hand side of mean. This is z equal to minus 1, here z equal to plus 1, the corresponding value of x that is equal to 65, here x that is equal to 71. In between portion to be shaded. We have to calculate this area. For finding this entire area, I start here minus 1 to 0, because you have to touch that 0. After that 0 to 1. I have to take always from left to right only. Minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Therefore, probability of x lies between 65 and 71 equals, we have changed x into z, the corresponding values minus 1 here, plus 1 here. So probability of minus 1 less than z less than 0 plus 0 less than z less than 1. Minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Okay, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Minus 1 to 0 can be written as 0 less than z less than minus 1 become plus 1. Have to interchange these two. Here the starting one is 0, so write as it is, 0 less than z less than 1. Both same only. You write the reason here by symmetry. How many times? 2 times. 2 times probability of 0 less than z less than 1 equals 2 into, can refer the normal distribution table 1. So 1 means 1.0. For 1.0 the value is 0.3413. 0.3413. 0.3413 equal to 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 0.6826. Therefore, number of students whose height, number of students whose height between 65 inches and 71 inches, that is equal to, write the probability value first, 0.6826 into total number of students, that is 500. If you multiply, you will be getting 341.3. Here we have tried to 342 only because it's a number of students. So after that decimal point, even if it is 1 or 2 or 3, so excess of 341 means you have tried 342 only, not 341. Okay. Even here we have got 45.9. Even whether it is a 45.1 also you have tried 46 only, remember. Okay, because excess of 45 means you have tried 46 only. So problem number 8 is completed. Then I will be teaching problem number 9 in the next video. Thank you, children.